Welcome to the training module of the testing process of circuit breaker timing measurement using ScopeMake's Scott MXP Plus. Circuit breaker ensures the safety of the power network. It protects an electrical circuit from damage caused by various types of faults like the excess current, typically resulting from an overload, short circuit, etc. The basic function is to interrupt current flow after a fault is detected in minimum possible time. One of the important parameters that define the proper operation of a circuit breaker is its timing of tripping, opening and closing of its contact. Scott MXP Plus measures, displays and prints close timing, open timing and close open timing of the circuit breaker. It has very high speed sampling frequency up to 10 kHz, which offers high timing resolution of 0.1 millisecond. Scott MXP Plus can be used for circuit breaker with or without pre-insertion resistors, whereas Scott M3K Plus, which possesses similar functions, can be used for circuit breaker without pre-insertion resistors. Now, let us see the features of Scott MXP Plus. These are contact timing measuring channels. There is protection provided in form of slow blow fuse in case there is any malfunction in the breaker coil. It has a display with backlit LCD and large font to enable the user to read easily and which can be read in broad daylight or sunlight. Breaker control section, it is used to issue the command to the circuit breaker. This is a master earthing connection. Power on-off switch. Battery charging input. Fuse for battery protection. This USB port is used to connect to the computer. Inbuilt thermal printer. Here is a touchpad button to select from the options. Now let us see the accessories used with the MXP Plus. This is battery adapter. This is the USB cable, master earthing cable, breaker control cable, and these are R, Y and B timing test cables or A, B and C timing test cables. Now let us see how to test the circuit breaker using Scott MXP Plus. But remember, safety first. While taking tests, always wear safety shoes, safety helmet, safety goggle and flame resistant clothing. Personal safety is of primary importance. First, connect the master earthing cable to the master earthing port. Connect the other end to the earth structure. The breaker control cable is connected to the breaker control section and the other end is connected to the command panel from where the command is initiated. Connect R, Y and B testing cables in the respective timing measurement channels. Each testing cable has 3 terminals, 1, 2 and common terminal. In case of single break per pole, R1 and R common are connected to the circuit breaker, while R2 should not be kept floating. It is connected to the porcelain. And for 2 break per pole, R1, R2 and R3 are connected to the circuit breaker. In the same form, Y and B timing test cables are connected. Now, as we are done with the connections, we will start the test. Switch on the MXP Plus using the power button. The battery charging of the instrument can be seen on the display. Now various options are displayed on the screen. With the help of the arrow keys, select the test option and press enter. First, we will check the closing timing of the circuit breaker. Select the close option and press enter. Now confirm the command by pressing enter. This will show the test timing. On the first screen, results of R phase are shown. With the help of arrow keys, go on the next screen to see the Y phase and B phase results. On the screen for results of B phase, print option is given. Press enter to print the results. Now press escape to go back on the previous screen. Select the open option by pressing the enter key. Then confirm the test by pressing enter again. This will show the result to open the R phase. By pressing arrow keys, next screens contacting results for Y phase and B phase can be seen. Again, on the screen of results of B phase, the print option is present. By pressing enter, results can be printed. Go back on the previous screen by pressing escape key. Now the circuit is open. If we give open command again, the machine will give an error message. Press escape to return on the test menu. Now select the close open option and repeat the steps for testing. Again, on the screen of results of B phase, the print option is present. This will print the result. Remember, while disconnecting the wires, earthing wire must be removed last. This concludes our training module of testing process with the help of MXP Plus.